My name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to take you guys through a Sea Ray 230 SPX, an absolute classic in the Sea Ray line. This is a phenomenal entry level into the Sea Ray family. Great outboard setup, lots of entertainment space for the family. We'll take you guys through a quick walkthrough of this boat and show you some of the features and layout. We're powered with a single 200 V6 on the back. You have a nice sun pad here along the aft portion of the boat. We have the sea deck upgrade. Provides a lot of traction when you're standing in the boat and getting in and out when the feet are wet. As we come in here to the cockpit, you'll see this boat is built for entertainment. Wraparound seating here, L-shaped couch style on the starboard side, and then the seating continues along the port. We have a bucket seat that will swivel off to both sides. We have the infinity woven vinyl along the floor. Looks super good and is really comfortable to walk on. And we do have the upgraded sports tower. Provides a lot of shade and looks really sporty as well. Here at the dash, we have the upgraded Simrad display, Fusion audio, Mercury digital throttle and shift. We do have a porta potty off to the port side. And then a very comfortable bow arrangement. Nice deep seating, speakers up in the front. Again, this is the Sea Ray 230 SPX. I'm Brian McGlenn with MarineMax in Stuart. Feel free to give us a call if you'd like more information or if you would like to see this boat in person. 561-635-6811.